Hello everyone, today I will show you a code example for converting an image to PDF format in Python. But to make it easier for you, I've turned the code into an executable file. Here, I will include both the code and the executable file version in the description section of the video, so you can download them. And now, we open the executable file I mentioned to you. This is the image we will use, and we select it. After selecting the image, we choose the location to save the file and give it a name. As you can see, here is the image converted to PDF format. It's that simple. You can also check out the code part. Both the code and the executable file are available for download in the description section of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.